Hi everyone, today I have a bornprettystore.com review for you guys. So these are glitter stamping gels, and I saw the colors online and they looked really pretty. So I went ahead and opened them to save time. This one is called Counter Current and it's BP GS13, a purple one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a random image on this plate. This is BPL072. So let's get started. And there she is on white. Very pretty, I like that. Okay, so I switched to this plate right here, and I'm gonna be using my purple again. I'm gonna be doing that on a black nail. Okay, so there's my Eiffel Tower. Okay, so next image I'm gonna try is this one right here, BPGS14, and it's called Deep Blue Sea. Ooh, that's pretty. I will try this one right here. And that is gorgeous. Very nice. And it's gonna be on a white nail. Okay, so let's go for this. There we go. Alright guys, at the end I'm going to show you some close-ups of these nails. So that was Affectionate Eyes. Next stamping gel I'm trying is called Moss Flowers, and this is BPGS16. Stamping on a black nail first. And there we are. Very, very nice. Okay. So we're gonna do her pretty hair. We're gonna give her pink hair. And here we go. That's so pretty. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. The next one I'm going to be using is this pretty green, and this is called Pitiful Leaves, and it is BPGS17. And it's a very pretty, almost neon green. I really like it. I switched out to a different plate. There it is. I really like the way that turned out. So let's move on to a white nail. I'm gonna try this one. There is my white one. Okay guys, so I'm back with the swatches, and I'm gonna show you the first one, and this is called Counter Current, and that is stamping over a matte white nail. It's very pretty, I like that. And this is the same color, Counter Current, and this is over black. And we have the shiny top coat. So that's it, over white and over black. Okay, so next I have Deep Blue Sea, and I'll show you stamping over white. And this one I put a glossy finish on. Okay, and then I have it over black. also with a glossy finish. Aren't those images beautiful? And that is Deep Blue Sea. Affectionate Eyes. That is so pretty. I love it. Love it. And here is the orange Affectionate Eyes over a black with a glossy finish. That's the orange one. Moss Flowers. That is the neon pink one. And here it is over a white with a glossy finish. And here it is over a black with a glossy finish. And I'm going to put them side by side. Very pretty. And I love the shimmer they have. Pitiful Leaves, and that is green. And here it is over white with a glossy finish. Here it is over black with a matte finish. And here they are side by side. They are all so beautiful. I really, really enjoyed using those. I did a rainbow nail, and there it is on white, all the colors together. And here it is over black, and it's all the colors together. And here they are side by side. Next, I wanted to see how they looked tone on tone. In other words, I wanted to do a matte background of the same or similar color. So this is the purple one. And again, that one is called Countercurrent, and that's BPS 13. That's really pretty. I really like that. Okay, the next one is the blue one, and that's called Deep Blue Sea, and that's BPS 14. And here it is. They just turned out so pretty. I love that. The contrast of the matte background with the shimmery stamping gel. The next one is the orange one, and that one is again BPS 15, Affectionate Eyes. The next one is Moss Flowers, BPS 16, and that is the neon pink. And then the last one is the green one, which is Pitiful Leaves, BPS 17. Aren't they pretty? I really enjoyed working with these gels. I'd never tried stamping gels before, so that was something new for me. I enjoyed them. I learned some things. Some of the things I learned, they work better if you use a deeply edged stamping plate and a firm stamper. And thank you, BornPrettyStore.com, for sending these to me. They are beautiful, guys. They really are. The shimmer they have, the colors are really, really nice. I like them a lot. These are 5 of the colors they have. They have 19 colors. They are all beautiful. So that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified next time I upload a video.